Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my sixth lesson of D3, chapter number 1, exercise 1A, that is about quadratic equations and functions. In this lesson, I will solve question number 2, basic level, that says solve each of the following equations, expressing answer correct to decimal places. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand. That what does the word solve or solution means? Solution means to find the values of unknown of the equation. What are the methods of solution of quadratic equations? We know that we can factorize the quadratic equation either by hit and trial method or by using the basic identities. Then we should have the command on squares and square roots. Then mental maths and calculation skills and integration of the lesson with the previous lesson. For better understanding of mathematics, it's really important to integrate your concept and lesson with the previous lesson. Let's move to the question. First part of the question says 5x minus 4 whole square equals to 81. If we look at both sides of the question, we can see that both sides are in form of the perfect square, because 81 is the square of 9. So what we have to do is that we have to express both sides of the question in form of the perfect square, and it will become 5x minus 4 whole square equals to 9 square. In order to solve the question, I have to remove this square from both sides, and what I will be doing, I will take square root on both sides. So my next step will be 5x minus 4 equals to plus minus 9. Now either 5x minus 4 equals to 9 or 5x minus 4 equals to minus 9. Now coming to this part, in order to get value of x, I have to shift this 4 to other side, and when I will be shifting this 4 to other side, I have to change the sign and it will become plus 4, 9 plus 4, 5x equals to 13. I need value of x. 5 is multiplied with that x, so I have to shift this 5 to other side. My expression will become x equals to 13 by 5. Now 13, the numerator is larger than denominator, so I have to express my answer in form of the mixed number. So the answer will be, I can do calculation here, 13 divided by 5, 5 2s are 10 and 3 remainder, 2 whole and 3 by 5, 2 whole 3 by 5. Coming to the other part of the question, 5x minus 4 equals to minus 9. 5x equals to minus 9 plus 4, because when I will shift this minus 4 to other side, it will become positive. 5x equals to minus 5 and x equals to minus 5 upon 5, or x equals to minus 1. X equals to minus 1. So the two solutions of this question are x equals to 2 whole 3 by 5 or x equals to minus 1. I hope this question is easy and you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next part of the question. The next part says 7 minus 3x equals to 7 minus 3x whole square equals to 9 by 16. Again, 9 and 16 both are perfect squares. So what I will be doing, 7 minus 3x whole square equals to 3 by 4 whole square. In order to get value of the variable, I have to take square root on both sides, and I will get 7 minus 3x equals to plus minus 3 by 4. Now either 7 minus 3x equals to 3 by 4 or 7 minus 3x equals to minus 3 by 4. I have to solve each part individually. From 7 minus 3x, in order to get value of x, I will shift this 7 to other side and I will have 3 by 4 minus 7 on the right hand side. Now I have to take the LCM. 4 will be the LCM, and as the LCM is 4 and denominator is 4, so 3 will be coming as it is. And from the second part, the LCM is 4 but the denominator is 1, so I have to multiply 7 by 4 and I will get minus 28. This will give me minus 25 by 4 minus 3x, minus 3x. Now in order to get value of x, I have to shift this minus 3 to other side. Minus is same on both sides. I will have x equals to 25 by 3 multiplied by 4. Dot means the multiplication. X equals to 25 by 12. Convert this 25 by 12 into mixed number. 12 twos are 24 and minus 1, and this will give me 2 whole 1 by 12. 2 whole 1 by 12. This is one of the root. Coming to the other part, I will have minus 3x equals to minus 3 by 4 minus 7, or minus 3x equals to, again take the LCM because this part is similar to the previous part, minus 3 and minus 28. Minus 3x equals to minus 31 by 4. Minus sign is same, so cancel them, and then x equals to 31. I have to shift this 3 to other side and it will become 31 by 12. Divide 31 by 12 carefully. 12 twos are 24 and minus 11 minus 4 is 7. So the other solution will be 2 whole 7 by 12. So the two roots or two solutions of this equation are x equals to 2 whole 1 by 12 or x equals to 2 whole 7 by 12. I hope you are clear about these two questions. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.